Okay, we will solve this one. Find the common difference of arithmetic sequence. So, the example natin, 1, 3, 5, and 7. So, ang gagawin natin dito, i-subtract natin yung second term sa first term. Subtract natin yung third term sa second term. At saka yung fourth term sa third term. Okay, so, yung second term natin is, dito na lang ha, 3. Tapos minus natin sa first term, 1. So, that is equal to 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, another one, si third term na 5, subtract natin yan sa second term. Okay, so equals 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. And 7, yung fourth term, subtract natin kay third term. So 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. So therefore, okay, yung common difference is equal to 2. So this is your final answer.